all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today we are start our next chapter, lesson number 16, how's that? Now what do you do if somebody makes a mistake and doesn't say sorry? आप क्या करोगे अगर कभी कोई गलती करता है और वो सॉरी नहीं कहता? Do you get angry? क्या आपको गुस्सा आएगा? All these questions we get the answer in this chapter. So first you listen it carefully. I read the chapter for you. How's that? You might have heard this question very often from a bowler. It really hurts both the umpire and the batsman. For a bowler, it is a twice disgusting. Sometimes the umpire declares the batsman out and sometimes he doesn't. But then it is part of the game. Apart from games, in our daily lives, we face some incidents and situations which nobody likes to be in. Somebody may try, deliberately or unknowingly, to encroach upon your rights and possessions, but you do nothing because of courtesy. At that time, you just compromise with your ideals and sit quietly. Have you ever thought of it after the incident? How humiliating is it? Does your conscience allow all this? In fact, it has become everybody's habit and we have become used to it. But there are some people who don't take it so easily. Once Anil had to go from Indore to Harda to see his friend Sunil. As it is a 5-hour journey, he went to the bus stop well in time and got his seat reserved. In order to enjoy the greenery and beauty of nature spread on either side of the road, he preferred a seat near the window. He went to a restaurant and had some snacks as the bus was to depart after 20 minutes. When the bus was about to depart, Anil got into the bus and found a stranger sitting on the seat reserved for him. Anil, sir, it is my seat. Would you please vacate it for me? Stranger, who says it is yours? Anil, sir, it is allotted to me by the conductor and I have paid for it. You please go to him and get another seat for yourself. Stranger, why are you disturbing me? Go away and get some other seat. I will not change this seat. Anil called the conductor and asked him to get his seat vacated. The conductor asked the stranger to vacate the seat, but he did not listen to him too. Conductor, sir, I shall give you another seat, but please vacate this one for him. Stranger, why don't you give him another seat? Now, don't try me patience. I am already tired. Conductor, but sir, this seat is reserved for him. Meanwhile, the bus was delayed. Everybody was cursing the stranger and shouting at him, but he wouldn't move. However, the matter seemed to come to an end. One of the passengers, a senior person who appeared to be a retired army officer by his way of talking and discipline, came to the front and gave a piece of advice to that stranger. It worked and he was ready to vacate the seat. Anil got into his seat and the bus started. He got absorbed into the outside scenery. But the behavior of the stranger hurt him deeply. He thought if his experience was worth something, he had learnt that it is bad to snatch and encroach upon others' possessions. He reached Harda and was received by Sunil at the bus stop. Sunil found his friend very upset, for he knew Anil to be amiable and joyous by nature. On their way to Sunil's home, they had to stop at the traffic signal as it was red. Suddenly, a teenager came on his bike and passed through without caring for the red signal. Again, Anil was upset. But he kept mum, whereas Sunil took it very easily. As they moved ahead, the same boy was found laying on the road with a broken leg, as he had got his bike dashed against a truck. They took him to the civil hospital and informed his family members. At night, after dinner, the two friends were talking. Sunil, what's the matter, Anil? You are upset. Tell me if anything is wrong. Anil, I am all right, but the way things and conditions are changing hurts me. You see people doing what they shouldn't do without any thought for the well-being of themselves and others. Should we not be considerate towards our fellow travelers and other members in our society? The story ends here, but not without having a question for all of us. So here students, the reading is complete. So you have to practice it at your home.